Hi, I am Abhishek and welcome to mticker.com. Through this quick video, I will explain you about mticker.com. We are going to introduce a system that is a 100% proven concept. mticker.com is the only company which has come up with a unique concept in India, and I'm sure it will definitely change your way of using the internet. I know you are getting curious to know more and more about it. Why everybody is talking about mticker.com today? Let me explain. mticker.com is the web's premier reward site. mticker.com allows web users to earn virtual currency by doing the things they do every day on the desktop. You need nothing more than a working computer connected to the internet. mticker.com is the only place on the web to get what you want without ever having to spend a single paisa. As all of you are well aware that in the last few years, use of internet in India has reached to masses at an unbelievable pace. It's not being used by youth only. Even a common man in his daily life is using internet to book tickets, shopping, as well as for paying utility bills. You must be wondering, what's new in this? Yes, there is something new. Do you know that there is a business that had been growing at the pace of 100% and has broken all records of growth in the past few years? Yeah, we are talking about online web advertising business. And I feel that even you may not be aware of the fact that someone is being benefited by your online activities in one way or the other. Because of your frequent presence on internet, it has become the most powerful medium for every businessman. Either big or small, they are eagerly opting for advertising on it. However, billions are being earned as profit by few websites and social networking sites only, while people like you who are contributing so much earn nothing. So here is mticker.com with a unique concept which creates direct relation between advertisers and you, and thereby making you a part of the profit sharing. I know you are excited to know how it works. Getting started with mticker is very simple. A matter of just a few minutes and you get connected to a whole new world of online advertising. All you need to do is to get yourself registered, download our small application and install it on your laptop or desktop. It connects you to our advertising servers and help us to show banner advertisements on your desktop. Every time an ad flashes on your computer screen, you will be rewarded with credits in your kitty. With all the credits you will earn, you can shop for your favorite goodies from our online store. Simply, you view ads on the desktop or laptop screens, earn virtual money in the form of mticker credits, and shop for the items of your choice through a hassle-free redemption process. It's as easy as ABC. It's absolutely free and always will be. Not only this, there are so many ways of earning mticker credits by participating in surveys, polls, or by viewing commercials and shopping from our partner stores. So, stay connected and keep getting your very own share of internet revenue. Go, get your share of the internet. Thanks for watching this quick video.